Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can change your language on the Delta application. First of all, open your eToro Delta app or simply Delta app and make sure that you are logged in using your eToro credentials. After you are signed into the home page, tap on the 3 hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now, click on the Settings button from the next page. Under Settings, tap on General. Click the Language option under General at the top and select a different language that you'd like to change to for your Delta account. You can come back to this page and change to a different language of your preference anytime you want. And that's how you change your language setting on Delta. So there you have it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.